Colorado Sunshine is a unique asset for creating sustainable living neighborhoods, and Arvada is a great place to demonstrate its feasibility. The Geos Neighborhood shows that fossil fuel-free living is technically possible and economically affordable. I'm Norbert Klebl, and I'm the developer of a community in Arvada called Geos Neighborhood. To make these homes net zero energy, that means that they would produce all the energy on site which they would use. And where we started is we worked in all the details to really reduce the actual energy requirements. We were able to reduce the total energy requirement by 75%. The first third of the savings came from a passive solar orientation of all the buildings by offsetting the homes. Traditionally, all the homes are built in one row, and we offset them in such a way that the distance between those two houses, or these two houses, would allow that on the December 21st, when the sun is the lowest of the year, the shade will only reach the bottom of the neighboring building. The second third of energy savings comes from a high performance shell. Because we increased the insulation, and we put in some very good triple pane windows, and we really, however, exceeded the industry by making these buildings airtight. Traditional homes exchange the air every 3 or 4 hours. Ours every 20 hours, which saves an enormous amount of energy. The remaining 1/3 came from a new mechanical system. This system is based on energy recovery ventilation, which means we are pulling the waste air from the bathrooms and the kitchen into an air exchanger, and whenever we blow out waste air, we bring the same amount of fresh air in, and in the process transfer the energy from the inside hot air to the outside cold air, or in the summertime the opposite. Instead of heating up the outside air from, let's see, 20 degrees to 70 degrees, we only have to heat it up from like 65 degrees to 70 degrees. These buildings use only about 3,000 kilowatt hours of electricity for heating and cooling per year. The rest is the plug loads, appliances, for the lights, for gadgets which use electricity. All our lights are now LEDs. Replaced the standard appliances with a high energy performance line from Bosch. And with the clothes dryer and the other appliances and the LEDs, we were able to reduce the plug loads by 50%, and using heat pump water heaters. Combined with the water heater and the appliances and the LEDs, we were able to reduce the 9,000 kilowatt hours which American homes using right now to about 3,000 to 4,000 kilowatt hours. The entire home, heating, cooling, ventilation, and all the plug loads consumes only about 7,000 kilowatt hours a year, and so we put 5 kilowatt of solar systems on there, which totally satisfy the needs. Our systems are designed that you can set it and can leave it. It's all self-managed, but we also offer people to manage it and therefore save some more.